Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can use Claude Code in order to create viral Instagram Reels that will generate you sales afterwards. Here is the tool that I built in less than 30 minutes using Claude Code, and here's what it does. It is scraping viral videos from my competition. As you can see, all of these videos are very recent and they got a lot of views. It is analyzing them deeply, so you have the hook analysis, retention mechanism analysis, and then it is generating new concepts specifically for me based on this viral video. It is writing the whole script that I can record right now, and my chances of going viral will be 10x compared to doing everything from scratch. And here is in another tab the list of creators that we are tracking. I have 5 right here, but you can add dozens and dozens. And all that was built inside Claude Code. But don't worry, you don't need to know how to code in order to use this. This tool is for everybody. You can just use this simple chat interface, give commands in your plain English, and you will be good to go. So this video will have 3 parts. First of all, I'll show you the tool in action. Then I'll walk you through the quick setup and give away a free template. So you will set up everything in less than 5 minutes, even without any prior experience. You will be able to set up this system, and you will also understand how to build similar systems for yourself. And finally, we will discuss other content and marketing tasks that you can automate easily. So I hope that this video will be a huge source of inspiration in terms of how many things you can actually automate using Claude Code. It is so much more powerful than ChatGPT. Let's get started. So let's begin with showing you the tool in action. So here is the profile that I prepared. Here's Fabo. He's doing real estate in Dubai. And let's say that we want to help him grow on Instagram. He is a real estate broker, so his niche is obvious. And I already found a list of good creators in the real estate niche. For instance, Ryan Serhant and many others. I have them prepared here inside this Google Sheet, the usernames. Now I'm just taking one of the usernames, for instance, Ryan Serhant, and I'm going to this app. And here I'm just pressing to add a creator. Let's paste his username and say that this is also Dubai real estate. Fabo. And then press add creator. And bam, as you can see, he was added to the table. We can see his follower count, amount of reels that he is posting every single month. So he's posting more frequently than once per day, and the average amount of views. This is a great profile. Now it is added to the database. And now let's add all the remaining profiles that we want to analyze in the real estate niche. So as you can see, I added 8 different creators in the real estate niche. As you can see, their numbers are quite solid. On average 40k views, on average 600k views, more than 100, more than 100, more than 70k. So good creators are here. Now let's go to the configs tab, and basically we want to set parameters in terms of how we want to analyze those videos and what scripts we want to get out, right? So let's press create new config. Let's give it a name, real estate videos Fabo. As creators category, we'll select Dubai real estate. And now this is the most interesting part, analysis instructions. So how we will analyze the video inside. I have the instruction prepared in another Google Sheet right here. So this is the analysis instruction. Here we will be asking to analyze the concept, the hook, retention mechanisms, how is the reward look like what is the final insight out of the video, maybe it's educational, maybe it's entertaining thing, and then how the script is structured. So let's copy this, let's paste it here, and you will be able to write a similar one for yourself with Claude, ChatGPT, whatever, or basically use Claude Code to write this thing for you. You can start with something very simple like analyze the hook and script, right? And then in the concepts part, we want to explain how we want the final concepts to look like. So here we're giving the context about Fabo, what he's doing, what is his niche, and how we want our new videos to look like. So let's just copy it, paste it. Oh, sorry, I deleted it once again. So we pasted everything, and now let's press save. And now we have this new config created, and now we'll be able to run a new pipeline for this specific config. So let's go to the Run Pipeline tab, and here select the new config. And in the advanced settings, we can select how many videos and for what period of time we will analyze. Let's leave it as is. So we'll analyze top 3 videos in the past 30 days for every single creator. So because we have 8 creators, we'll get, I think, 24 different viral videos. So let's run the pipeline and see what we'll have. And just like that, the tool has finished. As you can see, we have 23 videos right here, and they are sorted from the biggest amount of views to the smallest. So here's the video from Ryan Serrant. As you can see, 3.5 million. And we have analysis and concepts. Let's check out the analysis. So the system is writing the hook and then the reward script. So let's check out the script. Most people lose money trying to time the market. They either wait for the perfect rates or the perfect moment. So this is clearly about investing money, getting the right return on investment and whatnot, related to real estate, obviously. And now we go to the concepts. And here are concepts specifically for our guy, Febo. So most wealthy people never saw the property before buying. And as you can see, this angle is already related to real estate, but the idea is the same. And here's the whole script. And just like that, we have 23 different video ideas, and for each of them we have even multiple concepts. So I think it is one concept, two, three concepts for every single idea. So theoretically we have more than 60 videos just like that. Of course, not every one of them will be amazing, but you're getting the idea of how much leverage we're getting here. And now let's move on to the setup and giving away the free template so you can get started immediately, even without any experience. So first of all, you need to download Visual Studio Code. This is the environment where we will be running our Claude Code. So the whole instruction will be in the description down below. Just go to this website, select the type of system that you have, download the app, open it. The setup is super quick. Then you have this app. You will open it, and I already have my project opened, but you don't have it yet. You will also download the folder with the project in the description down below. You will have the very detailed instruction. But basically, after you open Visual Studio Code, you'll basically go here on the app, and here you will select File, and then you will press something like Open Folder. And here in the Open Folder, you will select this new folder that you just downloaded, which will be Social Media AI. You open it, and bam, you are inside this project, and you are almost ready to go. So then you'll just go up, press Terminal, press New Terminal. So as I said, all the communication with Claude happening here in the just text terminal. It's very, very easy. Think of it as the interface of ChatGPT. Then you will open this file on the left, shell aliases. It's just for convenience. You will copy these 2 lines of code and then run it in your terminal just like that. Bam, you run it. And now we are almost ready to run Claude. And now finally we need to install Claude Code. We'll just go here and to the extensions. And here we will search Claude Code, right? This same extension that was just displayed. You will open it, then you will install it. I already have installed. And then based on that, I think it will ask you for a quick setup. You will need to connect your subscription. So you need to have actually a paid subscription, either Pro or Max, but the smallest amount is $19 per month. And this is well more than worth it. Trust me, you will get a huge ROI in terms of your time back. So now, once you have this installed, the only one last step is actually to connect the APIs to the Claude. I'll show it to you. So you just open this .env file, and here, as you can see, we need 3 different API tokens. First of all, the API. This is the service that we're using to scrape all the data from the social media. It's very easy to get the API token. The whole instruction will be down below. The second one is Gemini API. It is to analyze videos inside of it. So it is Google API that will be downloading the video, analyzing what is the hook, what is the script, etc. It is also very easy to get. The link will be also in the description down below. So the setup will take just 1 minute. And finally, the AI API that we need to actually analyze, write new scripts. I'm using Anthropic API to use Claude under the hood, but you can also switch it to OpenAI. Like if you don't want to use Anthropic, you will just type in the Claude later on to switch from Claude to OpenAI, and it will do everything for you, so don't worry. But in my case, I'm using Anthropic and Claude, so it is also super easy to set up. The link will be down below, also just 1 minute to get these API keys. And once you paste all these API keys in the environment, then you will be ready to go. And now let's once again open the terminal, and we will be ready to launch Claude. Now you just write CR and press enter. And as you can see, Claude Code is loading. It is now reading all the context about the project, so it understands how it works, and we will be ready to go. Now it's ready, and just to demonstrate how easy it is to interact with it, I'll show you something simple. First, let's ask to deploy this website right now. Let's just say deploy locally. And now we will be able to access this website, this tool, just on your computer. So here it is. As you can see, the server is running. Don't need to care about it. You don't need to understand how the coding works. You just need to open this link in your browser. So let's go to the browser, type it here, open it up, and bam, as you can see, the whole application is right here. And now, just to demonstrate how simple it is to interact with it, we can ask for some instruction. Let's say, let's change the theme from dark to white. Bam, it's finished. Now let's check out the results. And as you can see, everything is right here. And this was a simple example of changing the design, but you can ask for anything. You can use this API that I just shown you to scrape, let's say, not Instagram videos, but TikTok videos. You can just say, change all the logic to scrape TikTok videos inside of Instagram, and it will do that. Just think of it, how crazy that is. And finally, let's move to the third part, which might be super interesting and inspiring for you. Let's discuss other content and marketing tasks that you can automate easily. So I prepared a list of 3 tasks that we will go through really quickly. So first of all, I want to scrape last 30 videos from Nate Hirk and share what's working for him and what doesn't, and make a presentation out of it. So here's his YouTube channel. Probably you're familiar with him. He is one of the most famous guys in terms of the AI automation space. So let's just do some analytics and understand how we can also grow in this specific niche. The second one, I want to ask for trending topics on TikTok in the AI niche and make a presentation from it. So I want a quick visualization so I quickly understand what is going on. And now we will use TikTok for that. This is another application, right? And finally, I want to scrape one of the latest top performing YouTube videos from Greg Eisenberg. So he has a channel about mostly how to make money with AI, how to get rich with AI, all that stuff. And he's really legit guy. He's making more than 10 million per year with his portfolio of companies. And I basically want to write a newsletter sequence of 5 emails about how to get rich with AI. So I want our Claude Code to actually extract interesting ideas from all of those videos and write an interesting newsletter. So now let's just copy each of those things. Just copy these, go back to Claude. Here's one of the Claudes. Let's just paste this instruction and run it. Then go back. Let's copy this one, paste this instruction and run it. Let's go back here. Let's copy this, paste this instruction and run it. And let's just see the results. And just like that, it executed. As you can see, with Nate Hirk and YouTube video analysis, it took 10 minutes. But this is fine. I was chilling in the meanwhile. And here's the presentation. So let's quickly check it out. Amount of subscribers, amount of views, amount of videos. And then we can... as you can see, we have 12 pages in here, so it's quite a big document. We have understanding of what is the highest performing video, what is the growth rate. Then we have the best videos so far. So as you can see, the first one is about Claude Bot versus Claude Code. And then the underperformers, then topics in terms of their performance. Claude Bot is number 1, then VPS number 2, Claude Code number 3. And cursor or cold email are absolutely underperforming. And as you can see, NA10 is also declining a lot. Now we go what's working. Here are the specific topics that are good, how much time we want our video to be, then tangible outcomes in the titles, comparison, blah, blah, blah. What is not working, then hook patterns from transcripts. This is amazing. So it actually downloaded every single transcript, actually looked at it, analyzed what is specifically making it good, and now we have all this intel in here. The winning hook formula, even like that. This is crazy. Imagine if you're starting a YouTube channel about AI automation, but you don't have this like year and a half of experience of Nate, who was doing videos every single 3 days or something like that. So we can just have a huge shortcut in terms of the learnings. Here are the key takeaways, and here are even the title formulas that win. So this is one of the parts. Another part was the newsletter. In this case, it took just 4 minutes to write it. Let's check it out right here. So as you can see, how to get rich with AI, email number 1. Here's the subject line. I found a $1,000 gig in 30 seconds using AI. How does that sound, right? And this is all like not just generic stuff from ChatGPT. It is actually taken from real data source from Greg Eisenberg. Then enable number 2, your first AI employee, setup takes 10 minutes. Look at these hooks. They're actually interesting. They're actually grabbing attention. We scroll more, the matrix that finds you money blah blah blah. So everything is about AI, getting rich and whatnot. And finally, we had the third execution. It's still running for the TikTok because I will just scroll you the logs. At some point, it asked me if it can use the API. So here, as you can see, after just 1 minute, it actually said that I'm ready to do the scraping. Should I use API credits? For some reason, sometimes it asks for my explicit confirmation. So here I wrote sure. Now it's doing it already for 4 minutes. I'll show you the results when it's ready. And now the presentation is ready. Here it is, trending TikTok topics in the AI niche. We analyzed 47 videos, 15 transcripts, and in total we got, it's not in total, it's just the top video with 60 million views. And here are 6 trending content categories. Then we have actual viral videos with the description. Number 1 has more than 60 million, obviously entertainment, and we can start replicating all that for our content journey. Then more videos, these are probably educational, right? What it is, AI agent making in prediction markets, right? And this is more education announcement about ChatGPT, the new model that came out, top performing hooks, hashtag performance, etc. So I hope this gives you a clear idea how you can accelerate your viral short-form video creation process and content creation process overall. If you're interested, check another video where I show how to create 10 high-quality social media posts using Claude Code in less than 1 minute with personal images, with AI infographics, and everything super well packaged.